Well, you updated to the new agent site. Congratulations. Now, what do you do with that site? We're going to talk about that. So let's go. Before we get started, I gotta give you guys a quick plug for KW Tech The Halls. It's coming up on December 6th. I know it's a couple months away, but you're going to want to get your tickets now. They're only $15. What is that going to get you? It's going to get you a full day, 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. of all the tech that you can handle and how to implement that in your business and in command. And leaders, we've got something for you too. So don't worry, there's something for everyone, and it's going to be a cool gamified experience this year. So get your tickets now while you've got the early bird price of only $15 per person. And Market Centers, we have a whole deal, only $1.99 for the whole Market Center to stream the event. So get your tickets now while you can. November 28th, tickets go up. And I hope to see you guys at Tech The Halls, December 6th. Hey everybody, I'm Bren Brewer, your favorite tech trainer. Today, we're going to update our location for our featured properties on our website. So you can see here's my new agent site. Yes, and I've got a location here set. So I want you guys to just go into command and click on your consumer applet on the left-hand side. It's the very last icon. Now, if you've updated, you'll see this manage my website, the big blue banner, and then you can see the button for edit my website. Okay, so now if you don't see this, I want you to go back and watch my video from last week because you'll be able to upgrade your website with ease, and then come back and watch this. So today we're going to click on edit my website, and it's going to take us to the editor for customizing our website. This pop-up box is going to pop up. I'm just going to click explore on my own. And then you'll see a bunch of quick start things here. And you'll see also it says check out your website. So you can click there and check it out. I want you to scroll down where it says edit your website and click on page homepage. This is what we're going to be editing. Your editing homepage area should look like this. And we're just going to click on featured properties. When you click on featured properties, it will open up the full editing area for you to edit your featured properties. Now you want it to display. You can change the title, so you can change it to hot new listings or whatever you want to call it. Check out my, let's just say on the description, check out my hot new listings. Check out these hot new listings. And then you want to make sure that the add listings is on dynamic. And then your location center point, you're going to put in a zip code here and it will pull up where you want it to be. And then the maximum number of properties to display you're going to put in here, and the search radius you're also going to put in here. So this is 10 miles. You can do 20, 30, 40, 50. It's up to you from your center point, but just make sure that you have your zip code in here and that you select your city. Then you can sort it by days on site, newest to oldest. And then if you have any featured listings that you want to put on your website that are your own, you can add those by clicking the plus button and searching by the address of your property. And I currently don't have any listings, so we're just going to take that off. And that's it. Once you're happy with that, you can see a preview here. Once you're happy with that, you're just going to click save in the top right, and those changes will go over to website. So you can see here I have Conroe, Spring, those kind of things. So let me refresh my website and see if my featured, yep, it changed to hot new listings. Check out these hot new listings, and you can see it went to Tomball and Cypress, and I should have no more than 10 on here. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you love this feature, and I can't wait to see you start using it. Put your websites in the chat below in the comments, and I will definitely check those out. See you next time.